In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a fully automated quote video workflow that publishes to YouTube. This system takes a random quote, a random background video, and a random music track, blends them into a polished clip, uploads it to YouTube, and updates your tracking sheet, end to end, with a single click. We begin by starting the workflow with a manual trigger. When you click Execute, the automation wakes up and moves through each stage on its own. This approach gives you complete control over when content gets generated, while keeping the heavy lifting fully automated in the background. Next, the workflow retrieves data from your connected sources. It pulls quotes and authors from Google Sheets, and filters them by a create or status field so only unused quotes are considered. It also scans a Google Drive folder for background videos, captures those file URLs, and writes them into your sheet for tracking. Then it does the same for music. It references the configured music folder, lists all available tracks, and stores those URLs into Google Sheets too. Keeping these lists in Sheets helps you track what's available and what's been used without digging through folders. With everything gathered, the system merges all of that into a single dataset that knows which quotes, which video backgrounds, and which music files are candidates. A dedicated selection node then picks one quote, one background video, and one music file at random. If any category is empty, the workflow throws a clear error so you never end up producing a broken or silent video. As a best practice, keep your Drive folders and sheets stocked so the selection step always has options. Once selected, the background video is downloaded locally as video1.mp4 and the music track as music1.mp3. With assets in place, the workflow prepares the on-screen text. It formats the quote into multiple lines, centers the text automatically, adds margins, and positions the author neatly beneath the quote. This generates an FFmpeg draw text filter that ensures legible typography, proper spacing, and consistent placement across clips. The final render uses FFmpeg to combine the video and music, apply the text overlay, and export a finished output, MP4. After rendering, the system uploads to YouTube using a resumable upload. It sets the title to the quote, the description to the quote plus the author, and publishes the video publicly, then sends the file. To wrap up, Google Sheets is updated. The quote is marked as done, the YouTube URL is saved, and the chosen background is flagged as used. And that's your fully automated shorts and motivational video generator. No manual editing required.